Hi, I'm Lionel.
And hi, I'm Hanli. Do you know that car horns are
Once again, I'm Lionel.
And I'm Hanli. Well, car horns are a mode of communication and we can use it to express ourselves on the road.
Yeah, I'm a pretty chill guy, but sometimes I just can't help but to want to express my displeasure at some people's behavior on the road. Yeah, I know it's what it is, right?
Yeah, and I personally drive a really small car in Asia, and I wish that I can change my car horns into something louder, bigger, and more powerful so that I can scare away those road bullies.
That's why today we have a range of car horns from Hella to show to you. To start us off, we have this, the classic horn set.
In other words, it's an entry-level horn set.
Yep, there are a few models in this range, so if you just want something uncomplicated to replace your original horn with, you can always check this out first. Moving on, we have the style range, and they come in different styles.
Yes.
Wow, yeah, different colors.
And I personally like this midnight black horn set because its matte black finish is really sleek.
As for this chrome twin tone horn set before you, it is the loudest one in this range. And twin tone basically means that it makes two tones, one high, one low.
Yes, so shall we make the sound?
That's right.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Bon.
Bon. Finally, we have this, the best in class range. There are a few models in this range as well, and the one before you is the one with the sharper tone. The bright yellow grille is pretty eye-catching, don't you think? And I think the rugged build of the horn really suits the personality of bigger cars like SUVs, sedans, maybe some off-road vehicles. I think it'll look good in those cars.
Alright, Lionel, enough of the talking. Let's hear the real sound.
Good idea. Clear the table.
Wow, what is this?
It's a music box. Check it out.
Music box.
So this is the box by which our horns are gonna make music.
And you need this too.
Really?
Right?
And I'm pretty sure we're gonna need these. So these are both horns in the value range horn series. And this is the compact horn. Let's see what it sounds like, right?
Well, and this is the strong horn. Ready, guys?
Joking aside, if you want to check out some of these sounds, you can download Hella's trumpet horn and horns application onto your phone. The application has a wide selection of sounds, so you can make an informed decision before you buy one. That's it from us. We hope you enjoyed what has been the loudest episode in this.
Why are you yelling?
What?
You are too loud.
Sorry. We hope you've enjoyed what has been the loudest episode in this series. If you want to check out some of these products, hit that link in the description.
If you want to watch any of our unboxing video or car accessories video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And of course, turn on that notification bell to receive the latest updates on all our videos. That's it from us. We'll catch you at the next one.
Bye!